Assalamu alaikum, Brother Zakir. My name is Ishrat Ansari and I'm a science graduate presently doing my ME in Islamic Studies. My question to you is, in the Quran it has been mentioned that no one besides God knows the sex of the child in the mother's womb. However, modern sciences have developed certain tests by which you can determine the sex of the child in the mother's womb. Is this not a discrepancy in the Quran?
Wa alaikum assalam, sister. She has posed the question that Quran mentions that no one besides Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows the sex of the child in the womb. And today I do agree with her that there are many medical tests, for example amniocentesis, ultrasonography, which can determine the sex of the child. So isn't there a mistake, a scientific error in the Quran? What the sister is referring to the verse of the Quran from Surah Luqman, chapter number 31, verse number 34, which says, only Allah knows the hour, that's the day of judgment. No one besides Allah knows the day of judgment. When will it rain? What is in the womb of the mother? What will a person earn? And where will he die? These 5 things no one besides Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. Our main question is that Quran says that no one besides Allah knows the sex of the child in the womb. Sister, the misconception is because there are a few translations, especially the Urdu translation, which have mentioned that no one besides Allah knows the sex of the child in the womb. In the Arabic text, the sex is not mentioned. The Quran says no one besides Allah knows what is in the womb. The Quran does not refer here to sex, it refers to how will the child be. Will he be honest? Will he be dishonest? Will he be a boon for the society? Will he be a bane for society? What will he become? Will he become an engineer? Will he become a doctor? And believe me, with all your medical scientific knowledge, you can never tell in advance what will a person be. That is a mistranslation. Before the next question comes. That's a very good question. He said that it can be. Please don't interrupt, brother. What you want to say can come in the mic, brother. It's better to come in the mic and say. Still I give him a chance. Maybe the non-Muslim, no problem. He's saying maybe I'm misleading. If there's a difficulty in understanding the language, go to the lexicon, the Arabic lexicon. There are Arabic lexicon written by non-Muslim, and the best one is Lane's lexicon. Go to the Lane's lexicon written by non-Muslims, and they will tell you the sex is not there in the Arabic text. They will tell you, not I. Regarding other criteria, what about Day of Judgment? There are people who predicted. It had come in times of India that in November 1992, there was a Korean church which said that the world is going to end in November 1992. All the people who followed that church came there. Nothing happened. We are yet living, and the people ran away with the money. No one knows when the world is going to end. Regarding rain, some people will say, science has developed. By Weather Forecast Bureau, you can say where it's going to rain, when it's going to rain. You know how accurate the rains are, how accurate the Weather Forecast Bureaus are, especially in India. Okay, some may say, America, they're perfect. Okay, for sake of argument, agree. Give them rope to hang themselves. The Weather Forecast Bureau, when they tell you when and how much is going to rain, they tell you on the basis of looking at the clouds and analyzing what is the speed of wind, when it will fall. It's nothing great. The rain is already present in the cloud. It is like you telling me, suppose a person sits for an examination and the results are going to be out after 1 month, and the teacher corrects the paper after 3 weeks, and she knows in advance that this person came out first, this person got 93 marks. Just because she knows in advance, it's nothing great. She already corrected the paper. So just because before putting on the notice board, if she says 1 week in advance, who came out first, it's nothing great. The rain is already present in the cloud. The great part will be if the Weather Forecast Bureau can tell today when and where is it going to rain exactly 200 years afterwards, without looking at the clouds. I challenge any Weather Forecast Bureau to say in advance, 200 years in advance, which part of the world exactly how much is going to rain. They will never be able to do it. Regarding where will a person die? Some people can say, yes, see, I will commit suicide, I will die here. Most of the cases of people who commit suicide, they fail. Majority. How many people want to commit suicide? Hardly, just a negligible amount. And those majority of the people who try to commit suicide, majority are unsuccessful. After they take poison, they go and tell somebody else. Then they rush to the hospital. When they jump, they see where there's a safe landing. And even if you jump, if Allah wants to save you, He can save you. If you die, it's with His permission, not without His permission. Regarding the last point, no one knows how much he's going to earn. You may say, see, Brother Zakir, I know that I earn 2,000 rupees a month. See, the Quran is wrong. The Quran does not talk about earning here in money. It talks about taqsib. The word taqsib in Arabic can also mean earning good deeds and bad deeds. It does not only mean salary. And even if you say that I give charity of 100 rupees, you can never know how much sawab you are getting, how much blessing you are getting. You will never know how much blessing you'll get by doing a good act and how much sin, how much negative points you'll get by doing a bad deed. Everything is kept intact in the record of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you.
And, excuse me, now because the management said we have to shorten the program for another 10-15 minutes, just to give a chance to those who have given slips, at least 1 or 2 chances I should give when they have sent me such a huge list of slips. I would put one question from the slip, then a question from the brother, then again from the slip, then from the other brother, then from the sister, and so on, so that we maintain the rules of the auditorium. I would put this